Welcome student. Now today we have to see Arrhenius equation. In previous period we come to know the effect of temperature on the rate of reaction, and you know as the temperature increases the rate of reaction also increases. Okay, now this concept of effect of temperature, that is to explain the effect of temperature on the rate of reaction, scientist Arrhenius, this is the name of scientist, came forward, and he also got Nobel Prize in 1903. Okay, and he gave a empirical relationship, and from that empirical relationship we are able to explain the effect of temperature on the rate of reaction. Now this empirical relationship or that equation is K equals to A into e raised to power minus EA upon RT. Now this is the Arrhenius equation. Are you getting clear? Where this K is no doubt rate constant, this A is Arrhenius constant or frequency factor, this EA is the energy of activation, R is gas constant, and this T is absolute temperature. Okay, now this relationship, that is K equals to A into e raised to power minus EA upon RT, is Arrhenius equation. Here this frequency factor K is equals to this pre-exponential factor A into EA e raised to power minus EA upon RT. This is the energy of activation. Later on we will also see what is actually energy of activation. Now see first of all Arrhenius equation. Now after this take a natural log on the both side. Taking log, that is ln K is equals to ln A into e raised to power minus EA upon RT. Now again here use rule of logarithm, that is ln K is equals to ln A plus ln e raised to power minus EA upon RT. Now further ln K, that is equals to ln A plus, now again rule of logarithm, that is minus EA upon RT into ln E. But friends, no doubt this ln E is nothing but 1, that's why ln K is equals to this minus EA upon RT, this is 1 plus this ln A. Getting it? Now see, this equation is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, now here let me assume we may write this EA upon RT, because we have to plot a graph, minus EA upon R into 1 by T. Okay, that's why it is M. Now from this if we plot a graph of, this is x axis, this is y axis, that is ln K versus this 1 by T, then you will get a line with a negative intercept in this way. And if we calculate the slope of line is equals to minus EA upon R. Getting it from this. Now further we may solve it by converting this into 2.303. Okay, how it can be solved? See, again, here this is ln, this is also ln, that's why convert it into 2.303. log to the base 10 k is equals to 2.303 log to the base 10 a minus EA upon RT. Okay, now further if we solve, divide through by 2.303, divide karo, only remainder log k, here log a, here minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Again log k is equals to minus EA upon 2.303 R into 1 upon T plus log A. Again we plot a graph of 1 by T versus log K. Then it will be a line making negative intercept. That's why here slope is equals to minus EA upon 2.303 R. Okay, all this is nothing but the Arrhenius equation. Getting it? Now further, after this Arrhenius equation, or in this Arrhenius equation, we have this term EA. Now this EA is nothing but energy of activation. Now actually we have to see further what is exactly energy of activation. Now for this you must know the concept of collision theory. Now see energy of activation. Energy of activation, that is EA. E capital suffix A small a. Now what is actually energy of activation? Now according to collision theory आपको मालूम है, रिएक्टेंट्स के बीच में जब कोलिजन होगा तो कोलिजन होने के बाद में नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन्स बढ़ेंगे और दैट रिएक्टेंट्स आफ्टर कोलिजन, नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन्स गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. But before conversion of reactant into product, that reactant due to collision takes up energy. That minimum amount of energy due to collision before formation of reactant, this molecule get excited, their energy of the reacting molecule gets increases. That energy is called as threshold energy. Are you getting clear? What is it called? Threshold energy. आप लोगों को मालूम है रिएक्शन कोऑर्डिनेट में रिएक्शन प्रोग्रेस और एनर्जी का अपन कंसेप्ट निकालेंगे, देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर रिएक्टेंट है. ओके, व्हेन रिएक्शन स्टार्ट्स देयर एनर्जी गेट इंक्रीजेस, देन what happens here, product is formed. No doubt this is delta H. Okay, now this energy is called as threshold energy, or it is equals to energy of activation. Means before conversion of this reactant into product, their energy get increases. No doubt there is a particular energy of reactant fix, there is minimum some energy of product. But before conversion of this reactant into product, the energy of the reactant increases and later on there is a formation of product. Getting it? This energy is threshold energy, or it is activation, energy of activation. Now that's why what is energy of activation? Energy of activation is the minimum amount of energy which the molecule must absorb to go into activated state before formation of the product or before reaction can takes place. Okay, now this energy, minimum amount of energy possessed by the molecule which is greater than or equals to the energy of activation required to cross the energy barrier, and convert it into product is energy of activation, that is EA. Friends, definition of energy of activation may be asked in examination. Okay, question may be define energy of activation for 1 mark, or define energy of activation and derive Arrhenius equation. तो आपको Arrhenius equation मालूम है, K इक्वल्स टू ए इंटू ई रेज टू पावर माइनस ए अपॉन आर टी। यहाँ से शुरुआत करके पहले नेचुरल लॉग लेना, फिर लॉग टू द बेस 10 लेना, देन y इक्वल्स टू एम एक्स प्लस सी में कन्वर्ट करना, देन कन्वर्ट एल एन के वर्सेज 1/t निगेटिव स्लोप माइनस ई ए अपॉन 2.303 आर, यहाँ तक एक्सप्लेन करना और एनर्जी ऑफ एक्टिवेशन की डेफिनेशन लिखना। नाउ दिस इज अबाउट आवर एनर्जी ऑफ एक्टिवेशन as well as about Arrhenius equation. Are you getting clear? समझ में आया? Now we will stop here and next time we are going to see how the energy of activation is determined by using Arrhenius equation at 2 different temperatures. Means if we have to find out the energy of activation and we have 2 different temperatures, then how it can be determined? This we have to see in the next period. Okay.